So we need to find out the area of the shaded region. Now we can see that these two curves will intersect along this theta value. Okay, in point laricum. So at this point they will intersect. So these are the corresponding rays. Okay, so these are the corresponding theta values. So നമുക്ക് area കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ നേരം so you integrate so you find the area under the circle from this theta value to this theta value. So let us call it as theta 1 to theta 2. So for the circle, find the area from theta 1 to theta 2. So നമുക്ക് ഈ രണ്ട് റേസിൻ്റെ മേളിലുള്ള ടോട്ടൽ ഏരിയ കിട്ടും. അതിൽ നിന്ന് കാർഡിയോയിഡിനെ ഇനി ഇൻ്റഗ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക ഫ്രം തീറ്റ 1 ടു തീറ്റ 2. So when you subtract both the areas, you will get the required area of the shaded region. So now if you look at this figure by symmetry, this area is actually same as this area. So instead of integrating from theta 1 to theta 2, I can integrate from this ray to this ray. എന്നിട്ട് 2 times ഈ difference എടുത്താൽ മതി. So that will be again the same. So we will do in that form. So before that, let us find what is the value of this theta 1. So therefore, the point of intersection theta will be given by equating both these equations. So we have 3 sin theta equal to 1 plus sin theta. So that will give 2 sin theta equal to 1. So therefore, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് തീറ്റയുടെ വാല്യൂ 5 by 6 5 by 6 ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. So if you want theta 2 is 5 pi by 6. So the value of theta 1 will be equal to pi by 6. Now what we will do is so we will integrate from ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 5 by 6 to 5 pi by 6 integrate ചെയ്യാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 2 times pi by 2 to pi by 6 to pi by 2. So I will take using symmetry. Okay. So by using symmetry, so area of the shaded region is given by 2 times 1 by 2 integral. അപ്പോൾ pi by 6 to pi by 2 സർക്കിളിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കും. അതിൽ നിന്ന് pi by 6 to pi by 2 വരുന്ന കാർഡിയോയിഡിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ദി റിക്വയർഡ് ഏരിയ ദെൻ ഇൻറ്റു 2 കൂടി ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, സോ the required area will be 2 times 1 by 2 integral pi by 6 to pi by 2 3 sin theta whole square d theta minus 1 by 2 integral pi by 6 to pi by 2 1 plus sin theta whole square d theta. So when you simplify, we will get integral pi by 6 to pi by 2, 2 cancel out, and we can combine the 2 integrands. So we will get 9 sin square theta. Neither expand we will get 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta. So subtracting both, we will get 8. Okay, 8 sin square theta minus 1 minus 2 sin theta. Now sin square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Now upon integrating, we will get 4 times theta minus sin 2 theta by 2 minus theta. Okay, this is so upon integrating, we will get plus 2 cos theta. So minus 2 sin theta integral 2 cos theta varum. Now applying the limits, so we will get 4 times applying limits on theta, we will get pi by 2 minus pi by 6, then minus 1 by 2 into okay, minus 4 into 1 by 2, so minus 2 varum, then sin pi 0 ആവും, sin 2 pi by 6, that will be sin pi by 3, which is root 3 by 2, then minus ഇവിടെ pi by 2 minus pi by 6 വരും plus 2 cos pi by 2 will be 0 minus cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. So therefore terms will cancel out and we'll get root 3 cancel out. So we'll get 3 pi by 3 which is equal to pi. So that is going to be the required area.